Hello, my name is Kim Sauer here in Nuremberg at SMT Nuremberg. I'm here joined by John Maguire from Nordson.
Good morning.
Good morning. Thank you very much for taking time out of your busy schedule. I'm sure on your stand, lots of interest, lots of things going on. We'll touch on that in a minute, but you have a distribution partner that you're working with.
Yep.
So how did that come about? What's the story there?
Well, we have a sister company. It's Dage Deutschland. So it's a part of Nordson's Advanced Technology Group. And I was looking for an effective distributor in Germany. So someone with a German mentality, speaking the language and so on. And it's really difficult to find somebody because most of the principals for microelectronics actually sell direct in Germany. Mm-hmm. And Dage were able to fill that role for us. And they have their own name, they've got their bond testers, their X-ray equipment, so they're well known, they have a good customer base, they have effective technical salespeople and technical support. So that's the reason we made that choice.
So the ideal partner, is it a new partnership? Has it just started?
We started about a year ago, but it takes a while to build up momentum, that they know what the applications are, they understand our machines and so on. Yeah. That's taken a while.
Yeah. So talking about understanding your machines and the solutions that you have, what are you showing here at the SMT Nuremberg and what's new in the company?
Well, what we've got here today is, physically, is a small machine, very, very suitable for what I would call typical European customers. R&D, institutes, small specialized users. At the same time, we've got a number of new high volume machines, fully automated machines. There's not so much potential in Europe for that, but there are a few companies where that's interesting. Mm-hmm. So we've got new machines, we've got a development within our own organization that we're taking much more of the software and application development in-house. So I think those are the key things we've got.
So that's very much product-based. You also have solutions that
don't make that mistake, Kim, because it's easy to show a product. At the end of the day, we're a solution provider. And plasma is kind of exotic for a lot of people. We have a lot of customers that use plasma and really don't know what it does or what it is. So my strategy in Europe is I always call it a three-step strategy. We need to educate people, tell them what plasma is, what you can do with it, and what you can't do with it sometimes. Mm-hmm. We work together with the customer to develop applications then, and hopefully we'll move on to a sales order and to acquiring a new customer that way.
So, curtains open, what is plasma?
That's a real big question. Okay. I'll try the plasma for kids answer, which is we ionize a gas. So we get electrons and we get ions. We can accelerate the ions so we can bombard a surface with high energy ions. And using that, we can clean that surface. There's also a second process which goes on. We form free radicals in the plasma. Free radicals are chemically very, very reactive. So we can actually etch away organic material using a free radical reaction. That's the plasma for kids answer.
Okay.
The real answer costs about 7 hours.
Well, definitely, therefore, look online, look at your website. There's probably a lot of information on that, and book an appointment or,
give me a call.
Yes,
and
absolutely.
Give Dage Deutschland a call.
Excellent. Well, let's touch to end the interview a little bit on the market. Where are we? Where are we going? What's your feeling there?
Well, what I see as a plasma supplier is not a revolutionary change. There's not a lot really new going on, but there's the requirements which we've been talking about for years: higher I/O densities, higher functionality, higher reliability, lower cost. Mean that people that essentially want to do the same thing they've always been doing, but they now need to do it in a more demanding environment. They have to look at different ways of doing their production. And that's where the opportunities today are coming for plasma. Mm-hmm. That people say we need to have a higher yield on a wire bond process or a higher long-term reliability, and we're not getting the numbers we need with our current production process. Mm-hmm. Put plasma in the process and you'll see that your yields, your CPK, your long-term reliability will go up significantly. Mm-hmm. That's where the opportunities are coming from today.
So it's very much a key to the future. Plasma equals key to the future.
Absolutely,
Excellent. Well, thank you very much for introducing it to us. Good luck for the rest of the show. I'm sure today, being the second day, is going to be a lot busier. Traditionally, it's sort of the busiest day.
Wednesday's always the day.
Yeah. So good luck with that.
Thank you very much
Thank you
indeed.
very much for your time.
Thank you very much, Kim. Bye now.